Most people speak from their throat, not from their diaphragm. When I speak from my throat, it kind of sounds like I'm in this little teeny bottle and you can't really hear it. But when I speak from my diaphragm and I let my words float off my mouth, it sounds more resonant. Whatever my natural tone is will come out. This is why the great singers do this. The problem is most people don't know how to coach themselves to speak from the diaphragm. Well, let's change that. So watch this. When I lay on my back, I have to breathe from my diaphragm. I can't talk in my throat at all. It's all my natural resonant tone. Can't change it. This is how I actually sound when I was born. But most people don't know that. And then they'll get in front of people and they'll start to talk in their throat, especially when they get nervous, and they won't sound like their normal diaphragm self. See the difference? Resonance, non-resonance.